Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. In this short video, I want to give you an overview how easy you can do chaos engineering on your host system, no matter whether it's a host in an on-prem data center or it's a cloud-based host like an EC2 in your AWS. For that, we have our host extension, which once you're opening it up, shows you all the capabilities it supports. You can see that we automatically discover the host and make it available in Steadybit and provide you some chaos engineering attacks like blocking the traffic at a network layer or stressing resources like CPU and memory or just shutting down a host to see how your system reacts to it. Once you have installed the extension, it automatically shows you all the discovery data of your hosts in the Steadybit platform, and the best place to understand and visualize this is the Explorer. Like in this case, I'm visualizing my Kubernetes cluster based on some other extensions I've already installed, and now I'm getting also host data of each of those Kubernetes resources so that I know where the Kubernetes resources are actually running. Another example is this visualization where I'm able to see which host is running in which AWS availability zone, and also understand which kind of infrastructure components are running on each host individually. Now I can jump into the experiment editor to easily create my experiment in a timeline-based drag and drop editor. And in here I have access to all the chaos engineering attacks and checks coming from our extension, like the host attacks, which I can simply drag and drop. On the right-hand side, you see an experiment where I'm simply shutting down a host, and I can easily specify that host based on Kubernetes attributes, but can of course also use something like the host name whenever I'm not using Kubernetes at all. So make sure to install the extension in your environment, and you can simply do that within Kubernetes with a Helm chart or by installing it via a Linux package or checking out some of the other installation mechanisms. Also, whenever you're using Kubernetes, make sure to install the host extension together with the container and Kubernetes extensions. Actually, when installing the Steadybit agent via the Helm chart, you automatically get installed the container, host, and Kubernetes extensions. That was everything for today. Thanks for watching and take care.